Hi peeps and welcome to my channel. It's Dirty Dems aka Demograffix, and today I'm working on a mural at the Frere Road Community Centre where I'm chairman and I run my kids street art workshops. We recently held a men's workshop for adults and we had a turnout where they produced some work on this mural here behind me. So today I'm just going to finish that off. We got funding from the Love Norwich grant, so we are getting funding for these projects, and it's been great bringing the artwork to the community and letting everyone have a go. Right, so I've had a little break and the guys have been doing their thing this morning, working on the background. You'll see some of that on the time lapse, but yeah, just giving you an update. Started working on the robin. You can see I'm doing all the feathering effects on the robin. I've started off with a darker tone, so I've used a Baltimore, which is this dark brown. You can see I've used a dark brown here, and that's like a base. So when you apply lighter tones on top, you get this sort of feathering effect. So I've used like a beigey colour here. I think that's Creme's or Lynn's. And I've just used a piece of cardboard to control the amount of paint going on there. So the edge of the cardboard, I'll be using that to get the feathering. So that's how I'm building up the feathers on the robin, and I'm looking very closely at the picture to see what colours and what tones go in what areas. So that's me finished on this one. Big shout out and thank you to Love Norwich for funding the men's workshop. The mural's looking nice. It came together well at the end with the input from Sye. He did his authentic graffiti lettering, not too overpowering, subtle so it blends in with the background. We've gone with like neutral tones because we didn't want it to be too shocking. So we've got like all sorts of people using the community centre, so it had to be quite neutral but visually interesting as well, so that people could appreciate and identify what's going on here. I've heard some people talking about the lettering. I think they have figured out that it says FRCC, so that's good. It's not too abstract for them. If you've enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe.